Hi Libra, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your June monthly reading. Do know, even as I do your reading, I could be picking up the energy of someone on your mind, someone who's attached to your energy, or even a cross watcher who's here today checking up on your energy. And also know, please Libra, these are general readings, so they're not going to be resonating with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin, Libra. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the message they need to hear the most. Thank you. So let's begin, Libra. This is for your month of June. This is your past, recent past, present, upcoming in June. This is what you're holding on to or should hold on to. This is what you should let go of. These are your biggest hurdles this month. This is how people view you, and this is advice from the universe. Let's begin. So your current position card is the Eight of Swords. Very nice. Letting go of some tension, it seems. Page of Swords. Ten of Cups. Two of Swords. Knight of Cups. Three of Wands. And the Two of Pentacles. So let's see what the cards need to say to us today, Libra. Seems like a good reading though. So let's see here. In a current position, we have the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords normally is a person who's really stressed out. But thankfully here in your reading, Libra, it's in reverse. So you're letting go of this self-imposed prison that you've been in, or at least you're trying to. So why were you in this Eight of Swords? Now this could be you, it could also be, the cross watcher. So apply it as you want. Okay, there was something that happened in the past. There was some mischief that was created. But even then, this cycle really did not close. This chapter of your life, as much as, there was maybe somebody pretended to shut down a chapter, but that was maybe a joke, or somebody tried to create an illusion, and that led to a lot of stress in your life. Oops, so many cards have just dropped out. Now at the present position right now, you really want to move forward with us, because maybe something ended and you want to begin it again, and you're thinking of ways and means of how to approach this, reapproach this person, and you are absolutely dying to charge ahead with this offer that you have in mind. Maybe a small apology. Okay, there could be a small apology, or for whatever mischief was created in the past, because you feel, because of whatever happened in the past, there's been total imbalance in this relationship, which has led you to have a lot of stress, or maybe the other person, or maybe both of you. And now this month you're thinking of ways and means how to get rid of that. Anything else, Spirit, for the present position? Yeah, because you realize you have a lot of love for this person. Okay, there's somebody in your life that you have or had or still do have a lot of love for, but you kept those emotions totally hidden. Okay, you were maybe emotionally manipulating them, or they were, because look at this king. He has a cup of love in one hand, but something else like a rod or something on the other, and his one foot is on water, one is on ground. So maybe not showing all your cards in the past led to the disruption of a relationship, and this month I think you really want to go towards your happiness, or you've realized that this person is the one that makes you really happy, and you want to somehow correct it now. You want to correct this relationship, and move towards them with some kind of an apology. Because in your month of June the card that I have for you, I see that you can come to a level of, a very, very high level of emotional satisfaction here. That's once you drop all this laziness, maybe, and maybe you, in the past you were being wishy-washy, you were promising more than you were delivering, but the only way I think Spirit is saying to reach this 10 of Cups emotional satisfaction is now to actually take charge of your life. You have been, just resting up and maybe just thinking about it or worrying about it, but you haven't really taken action as till now. And Spirit is saying it's time now to move away from all these troubled waters and move to calmer places. If there's been any turbulence in your relationship, Spirit is saying, giving you a green light to say that if you take action and in the right way, take an apology or an explanation or whatever you need to, there is a huge possibility of having everything, all the happiness that you ever dreamt of in the month of June. So you're really worried right now, okay? You're really worried right now that there's not going to be any rebirth in this. Maybe you messed it up, and you're maybe afraid to take action right now. You're very afraid. You want to, but you're very afraid because you feel a big injustice has been done. Okay, whether by you or the other person or life in general. Sometimes Libra, what happens, life puts us in situations where even if you want to do the right thing, sometimes you're just not able to. So what are you holding on to? You're holding on to a place of indecision. Okay, look at this person. He's got his blindfold on. He's got his swords, across his chest, and he's afraid to take action. So Spirit is saying you're holding on to that too tight, and this is the month that I think you should now let that go. That only then will you get your wish fulfillment. If you want this wish fulfillment, happiness, joy, you have to remove those blindfolds and see, go within to see what is it that you have contributed to mess up this relationship. And you right now, you're very confused as to how to move forward. Spirit is saying, give up now and start taking positive action in this. So what is this Knight of Cups all about? Spirit, what is this Knight of Cups all about? Knight of Cups is normally a person who, takes forward an offer of love. Yes, so now Spirit is saying it's time for you to let go of this thinking, of wondering. You're just standing, look at this man standing on his porch of his castle and just looking out and wondering, should I, shouldn't I? Spirit is saying now let go of all this thinking and take this love of cup to the person that is concerned. You've done enough thinking. Let's have one more card for the Knight of Cups, Spirit. One more card for the Knight of Cups and the Two of Wands, Spirit, please. Even bottom of the deck, Libra. Yeah, you have to now see, even this, look at this guy. In the upright, he's holding on to everything that he holds dear, so close to him. He's not sharing with anyone his thoughts, feelings, heart, nothing. He's got pentacles covered everywhere. And Spirit is saying, release this now. It's in reverse. Release all the stress, pain, emotions that you've kept within yourself. Stop thinking too much about it. And maybe now it's time for you to take this cup of love to someone and make things right. Bottom of the deck, I also have the Five of Wands, which is a card of conflict. Okay, but in reverse, it says now release all that conflict that you have. Maybe it's internal. Maybe internally you're conflicted, not knowing how to move forward or how to go. Should I, shouldn't I? So let all that go. And if there's been any kind of conflict with your person, this is the month that you should, I think, release all that. So what's your biggest hurdle, Libra? in the month of June. Your biggest hurdle, as I see now with the Three of Wands in reverse, is your confidence. I think you are lacking in confidence right now. You're not sure whether the person may reject you or may not accept you or may not accept your... Yeah. And because of that, you're not seeing a clear path forward. Okay? So this is your biggest hurdle of not communicating directly, not seeing the path forward, and also being a little self-conscious maybe. Embarrassed, self-conscious, not having the confidence to do so. Too many cards, but we'll take them. They're all upright, 4 of them. So you're just sitting and thinking of all that has happened in the past, what you did, what they did, where the relationship was, and what to do about it now. You're desperate to take a leap of faith here, Libra. You really want to take a leap of faith. You wish to have clear communication with them and put all the cards out on the table. But look at you here. Self-imposed imprisonment. This is all in your hands. You're just standing there. There is a path ahead of you, but you're just not wanting to take a step forward because you're scared. Okay, I can just put it as plainly as that. So that is your biggest hurdle. Libra, these readings are so you can be guided by these, and once you know your strengths and weaknesses, you can make the best possible decision for yourself. So please, if you are here, if you are seeing this reading, listening to it, acknowledge what you're going through and see what path is the best for you. So how do people see Libra? People see Libra juggling, going back and forth, not making a decision, just weighing up options here. Why do people? Yeah, because there was something that happened. Maybe you snuck away, or the other person snuck away from this relationship at one point. Maybe there was cheating or lying, and maybe people see you as that you are juggling multiple relationships. Maybe you are not. Maybe your partner sees you like this, right? Maybe that person feels that you have been cheating in the past, and you have more than one option, and you're juggling them. So if there is a misunderstanding here, Libra, I think it's really time. If you're both of you suffering, this is how people are seeing you, or your partner seeing you, that you don't love them. Okay, you don't love them, and you have other options, and you're juggling them, and you are cheating on them. And if you're not, then basically you're just stuck in fear of not telling them and giving them the wrong impression, which is sad. Anything else, Spirit, for how people see Libra in the month of June? They see you wanting to be single. Okay, they see you wanting to be independent, single, having more than one option in your life. You're not interested in partnering up with any one particular person. This is how people see you. So if this is what you want, Libra, great, you're on the right track. But from what I see from the cards, you seem to be under a lot of stress here, because there's something that you want to say to somebody, but you're unable to do it because you're worried, scared, fear of rejection, and whatever. So let's see what advice the angels have for you. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Spirit says not enough effort has been put in. Okay, 7 of Pentacles in upright is mostly the show of farmer who's sown his seeds and now he's waiting for his crop. But 7 of Pentacles in reverse, the Spirit is saying that you haven't really put in the effort yet. All you've done is spy on the person and create mischief till now, and that's why you've lost the love of your life. You have to make a decision. The Lover's card is also a card of decision. Okay, so Spirit is saying right now you're not being able to make any decision. And that is the reason there is no forward movement in your life. You have not invested enough time, energy, resources into this relationship. Spirit is saying the tower is falling. It's totally up to you. Okay? If you do not make a decision soon to reach out to your person, this tower is going to crumble. And then once the tower goes down, you know that there is no going back, right? It's ashes to ashes, dust to dust. So right now, maybe there is still a hope to stop this tower from falling completely. This is the time. This is the time where if this tower does not, is not handled, this person is going to walk away. You're going to lose your person, Libra, for good. Because this person seems really angry at the moment. Okay? Very, very, very upset and angry with you. It's totally in your hands, as I see. And the only thing that's keeping you stuck is just waiting. You're just waiting for, things to drop into your lap. Life doesn't work like that, Libra. You're just waiting. This could also indicate that maybe somebody else is waiting for you. So isn't that a good sign? So take that cup, take that apology. What's the worst that can happen? You don't have the person anyway, right? So maybe by offering or clearing up the air, things could get better. There is a 50% chance. Isn't 50% better than 0? Anything else, Spirit? No, I think this reading is more than enough clear. So I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you, Libra. Let's see what the angels want to say to you, for you to help, get over all the stress and anxiety that you're going through, and give you the courage to do the right thing here. So the card we have here, Libra, is blessings. Blessings of abundance. Okay? Libra, abundance really doesn't only mean money. Abundance, the first abundance that you must have in your life is emotional abundance, physical abundance, spiritual abundance, mental abundance. Then comes financial abundance. Okay? So, oh God, isn't that what I said just now? You're trying to find courage? Okay, now let me read both the cards together. I just said it. This is the time for you to have courage. So Spirit is seconding that. Or maybe, this is the message for you overall. That you have to be brave. And once you are brave, this is what you get. This sums up this reading beautifully. Exactly what we've read here. And I will be doing love reading soon, Libra. So if you want to join me there, hope you subscribe, and see you next time. Love and light.